Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. It's sort of Ghosh and today I have come up with another video. This video will be on the final accounts of partnership business. This is going to be the part 2. If you have not watched my video of final accounts of partnership business, I advise you to watch part 1 and then come to part B, because I am not going to here explain you the basics. In the part 1 video I have explained you the basic things. So now I hope you guys are enjoying accountancy, because if you understand then it will be very much interesting for you. And don't try to memorize anything. This is not the theoretical part, this is the practical part. If you understand these things, these are the basics, you can solve any sums. First of all, your basics needs to be clear. Let's hope for the best and prepare for the worst. That's our motive. So now the question will be visible. This is my style of doing accountancy with you all. First of all, the question will be visible in the screen. You all write the question or take screenshot or memorize the question. If you whatever is convenient for you, you do that, and then we will be moving on to the solution part. Because if I write the question here and put it here and don't have camera and all the arrangements, so it will not be a good thing even for me and even for you all. So basic thing is you need to write the question, and whatever I give, yeah, this is very much important. This is, I say to everyone, whatever I give, that only comes in exam. That will only come. They can combine 1 or 2 questions that I have taught, but the same thing will be repeated. That is my guarantee. That is guarantee on my part. Now the question will be visible on the screen. You please see the question. The question part is clear. You all have got the idea what we are going to do. So now, including adjustments, even I teach in the same manner, because this is not cannot be done that I will not give you adjustments. Without adjustments we'll do the sum, because that's impossible, because in exams adjustments comes. In first year it may or may not happen, but in second year it will come. So specific format is to be followed in accountancy. Subject name of the subject is accountancy, not accounts. Please don't say accounts. The subject name is accountancy. So first of all, specific format. Here you need to follow proper format for solving the sums. In the books of Arun and Varun. I am from India, so I am using Indian names. If you are from America, you can write in the books of Tom and Jerry. It's up to you. Trading account, profit and loss account, that is called PL account, and PL appropriation account. PL it can be written as, but I am writing in the full form. PL appropriation, APPROPRIATION. Yeah, I have done a bit overwriting. That's not a big deal. For the year ended, yeah, it is a big deal in examination. For higher exams like chartered accountant exam, if we write, don't follow the specific format of presentation, you won't be able to pass the examination. But here, what to say? Yeah, it can be understood, but I don't know whether it is cleared in the camera or not. For the year ended 31/3/2004, and here the situation is not so good, means I don't go out and all, means situation is very bad in India, so it's best way to teach online. Offline I don't give any private tuitions and all. That's the only platform where I can teach, because if I teach offline no one will come to me. What to say, people always want persons who are having degrees. Mere they are having knowledge or not, that's not a big deal. Degree is important, but a person without degree, but if he is having sufficient knowledge to teach you that much which you require at present, you can come to that person to learn. But it's not so in my country. It's very much difficult. Even I think I am the youngest fellow in this teaching line, teaching you subjects of commerce, being a student of class 12. That's not a big deal. Whatever I understand, whatever I got, whatever I have learned, I teach you that only. And in high secondary level you need that only. I am not teaching you for your degree level, it's for the high secondary level. Specific format, particulars, rupees means amount, particulars, amount. So first item on the debit side of the trading account, as I have stated in my earlier video, not we, it's I, opening balance. To opening stock, by mistakenly I have spoken balance, it's opening stock, 12,000 rupees. I hope everything is visible. Yeah, it's quite visible. Let me zoom it for your clearance. To purchase $48,000 less purchase return, $46,400. Now we will write the things which are related to factory, purchase, production. Wages 2,000. Similar things are done in class 11 commerce, but PL appropriation account is totally omitted, because in that case for first year, means for class 11, we handle the situation of sole proprietorship fund, and here in second year we do this for partnership, and even we do for corporate sector also, that is for companies, and this is for partnership. So here the opening of another account, namely profit and loss appropriation account, is mandatory. Add outstanding wages. $100. You see, I don't have anyone to talk with, like I don't have friends and all stuffs, you know, I don't quite often mix with people. I always stay at home, watch sometimes, uses Facebook to watch some memes in order to get some entertainment, and watches videos of chartered accountants and big industrialists, Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani, and you say Gautam Adani, very many businessmen and memes. So that's my only way of communication with the outside world, like people with you, my viewers. That's my only way of survival. But see, that's very important in life. You need to stay alone, because in many situations you have to fight your own battle. You can't rely on people like they will be helping me. You have to fight your own, and I prefer to fight my own battle. So you see, to carriage 1,000 rupees. In the adjustment side we have not got anything like carriage outstanding, and if in the trial balance you get carriage outstanding, don't add it here. The items of balance of trial balance are only used once in the sum, and the adjustments are used minimum 2 times, and maximum it depends upon the situation, what type of situation you are getting. Now here, by sales 64,000 less sales return 2,000, 62,000, by closing stock 14,000. Now see which side is having a greater amount. Oh, I'm very sorry, I have written here credit and here debit. It's my mistake. Debit, credit. Which side is having? Now when I wanted to tell you, I realized, yeah, no, I have wrote the wrong thing. This nervousness often leads me to very bad situations. So in the item in the credit side is higher than the amount of the debit side, 76,000 if you sum it up. And now if you sum it up and subtract it from 73,000, you will get the answer as gross profit. To gross profit, CD 14,500 by gross profit, DD 14,500. Now you see trading account is completed. Now we will go to profit and loss account. Two salaries, 3,600. To rent, 2,900 less prepaid rent, 500, 2,400 if we do the subtraction part, result. To depreciation of furniture, 12,000 into 10%, 1,200. To discount, 2,000. To repairs, 1,200. To sundry expenses, 2,000. Now here let's see what we have received. Is there any receipt like discount received or interest received? But here we have sundry receipts in the question. $200, 14,700 is the total of the credit side. Debit side is payment side, credit side is receipt side, in simple words. To net profit, CD 2,300 by net profit, BD 2,300. Now you see we have completed profit and loss account also. Now we will be moving on to another account, namely profit and loss appropriation account. In this side only one thing only comes, interest on drawings, and this side interest on capital, bonus or salary or anything to the partner, anything which is paid to the partner as commission, its salary, bonus, anything. That's the base. In profit and loss appropriation account, you see very limited items comes in it, very limited. But you have to be careful regarding the situation, like in the adjustments. Adjustments are the main thing which makes the sum tricky. Actually, if you see the sum properly, you see the sum will be very easy. But means you have to keep in mind each and every item of the trial balance. Then you have to keep in mind the adjustments while solving the sum. That's a test of memory. How well you can remember the things and how well you can implement it and put it there. Putting the right thing in the right place is very much important for solving the sums and getting the right answer. By interest on drawings, Arun, Barun, 30,000 rupees into 3,000 rupees into 10%, and here 2,000 rupees into 10%, 300, 200, sum it up, 500. Now Here we will do to bonus to Arun. It is paid. Let me see properly on what basis he has got the bill. Oh yeah, 100 rupees PM. By PM I mean to say per month. 12 months, 100 rupees per month. 1200 rupees he has received as bonus. Now to commission to Barun. You get these types of name only in exam. Even you will find common names that I am using. Arun Barun, then Arun Barun Tarun. These are the names that like means I will if possible in this video or in other video I will tell you even some more means these rhyming names. They want to confuse you in exam. And especially in the these names are means can confuse. If you write here bonus to Barun, then the sum will be wrong. So and especially in the case of retirement, death, they use these types of rhyming name to confuse you, to put you in a trick and give you to the wrong direction. Examiners, if they can give you 0, they will be more happy. I can say you the reason why they love to give zeros. Because the calculation part will be very easy. You see, when the paper is full of zeros, the calculation part will be very easy and he will require less time to check the paper, and checking papers is equals to money for professional people. So they can cover more money in less time. That's the thing. So be careful, don't give any opportunity to the examiner. Now you have to here everything is written, here it is more, in this side it is more, means here the amount is 2800 and here the amount is less than 2800. So here we will do to partners capital account. In bracket you write sharing of profit. Sharing of profit Arun Barun. 1100 is the amount which I have got by doing this fill in the blanks technique. And what is fill in the blanks technique? You go and watch the part A on this video, you will understand my fill in the blanks technique. 550, 550. Now you will get the answer as 2800. 2800. Now profit and loss appropriation account is also completed, but now still the sum is not fully completed. One final and very important thing is left out. The important and final thing is balance sheet. You need to prepare balance sheet to put this sum to an end. I teach you another technique. You see, when here something amount is written and you have to write the amount in this page, then many often times I have find myself that I write the wrong amount, which results in getting a big zero. So you do this technique. Fold this page. Fold this page, see the amount from here and write it here. Very good technique. And these are the techniques which professional teachers teach you after they receive fees from you. And here you can learn these techniques free of cost. Just one thing, subscribe to the channel, click in the notification bell, give a thumbs up to this video and comment something so that I can understand you have got my techniques and you have understand my explanations. Now final thing, balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31/3/2014. Liabilities, amount, assets, amount. First of all, we'll start with capital. Arun. Arun's capital was 10,000. Add share of profit 550. Add bonus 1,200. Sum it up 11750. Less drawings 3,000. Less interest on drawings 300. 8450. I hope everything is visible on the screen. It's quite difficult and expensive to afford a DSLR. Mobile is the best, and that also when it comes to your dad's phone. Barun. Mom is actually busy in the phone doing online classes. My mom is also a teacher in the government school. Add share of profit 550. Add commission 500. 11050. Less drawings 2,000. Less interest on drawings. Subtract it, you will get the answer as 8850. Now, wages outstanding 100. Creditors 12,000. Bank loan 10,000. Finally, bills payable 10,000. Sum it up 49,400. Liability side is fully completed. Now we will move on to the asset side, and if we get 49,400 in the asset side also, then our sum will be fully completed and we will get full marks. Closing stock 14,000. Furniture 12,000. Less depreciation 1,200. If you do the subtraction, you will get the answer as 10,800. Prepaid rent 500. Debtor 10,000. Bills receivable 10,000. Cash in hand 4,100. Sum it up, you will get the answer as 49,400. The sum is fully completed. I hope you all have understood what I have tried to teach you. So let's hope for the best, and if you have liked the video, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, comment something so that I can understand you have got my explanation, and share it among your friends so that they can also understand and gain good marks in the exam. If there is no competition, there won't be anything in the world. Competition is very much important. Don't think that if you share this video with your friends, means you all are friends, but in the examination hall you are not friends. In the examination hall, fight your own battle. But if you can, you share it among your friends if you want. If the video has helped you. Thanks for watching this video.